Guys, you have got to check this out. Look at that. Wrong tree. Hang on a second. Here it is, right here. So I drilled a hole the same size as a water bottle top. This is maple tree. I got about 8 ounces of this maple sap water out of it. But it was leaking all over the side here. See, it's all wet because the water bottle didn't fit in there very well. I took a PVC pipe, I drove that in a little ways, maybe 1.5 inches, if that, because it's kind of a fairly young tree. I didn't want to go too deep on it. So then I just put this Ziploc bag on there, put a zip tie on it. It's filling up with water. And it tastes like sweet tea. I drank the 8 ounces earlier today. I've already got this much more now after maybe, I don't know, hour and a half, if that. Isn't that cool? I mean, that's the coolest thing. So I was watching a channel this morning that inspired me to do this. They were tapping their trees for the very first time this year. It was so inspiring that I paused the video, came out here and did this, and then went back. In fact, I'll leave a link to that channel in the description so you can go check their channel out. All right, catch y'all later. Love y'all. Bye.